Hi everyone! In today's video, we are going to discuss 5 ways apple cider vinegar could actually help you. We'll first review what apple cider vinegar is, then we'll jump right into the 5 reasons it could help you. Lastly, we'll discuss how to choose the right type of apple cider vinegar and how to incorporate it into your diet, and then also just some precautions to be aware of. I'm Katie Bailey. I'm a gut health dietitian at Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help individuals improve and resolve their digestive issues such as gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, abdominal pain, and more. If you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms and would like to work with our clinic, click the link below for an initial appointment. We have linked our free guide, 5 ways to improve your gut health, below as well if you'd like to get started right away. Okay, let's jump right in. Vinegars have been used for thousands of years as home remedies, as well as a flavoring and preservative agent in foods. Apple cider vinegar in particular is a type of vinegar produced by using yeast to ferment the sugar in apples to create an alcohol. That alcohol is then fermented again in order to convert it to acetic acid. The health benefits of apple cider vinegar are attributed to the acetic acid and the polyphenols found in the vinegar. It also contains healthy gut bacteria, micronutrients, and antioxidants. Okay, so how could apple cider vinegar help you? Well, number 1 is blood sugar management. And this is the most researched benefit of apple cider vinegar. And the studies show that it can reduce blood sugar by delaying gastric emptying and facilitating insulin secretion. So in other words, it's slowing down digestion and helping insulin to do its job. Another use for apple cider vinegar is for treating GERD or reflux. So there's not a lot of studies on this topic yet, but we do know that having adequate stomach acid can help prevent reflux by properly breaking down our food and strengthening that sphincter between the esophagus and the stomach. So taking apple cider vinegar when you're having reflux can actually help alleviate some of those symptoms. Number 3 is gut health. Although there aren't any current studies on this topic, we do know that apple cider vinegar is a fermented food, and it contains healthy bacteria, polyphenols, and micronutrients which promote gut health. Polyphenols in particular can help promote the growth of the good bacteria in the gut. The 4th reason is that it could help decrease your lipid levels. So studies have shown that regular consumption of apple cider vinegar can decrease the total cholesterol as well as triglycerides by stimulating bile secretion, which does help in the breakdown of fats. And number 5 is for weight loss. There are some promising studies being done with apple cider vinegar in weight loss, and in particular, studies are seeing that there's a decrease in waist circumference that they're attributing to slowed digestion, which in turn is then increasing satiety. Okay, so now that we know 5 reasons why it could help you, how do you choose the right apple cider vinegar? So you always want to choose the organic, unfiltered, or raw apple cider vinegar over the pasteurized. And the reason for that is that raw apple cider vinegar contains the mother. And what the mother is that it's that cloudy sediment that you see in the bottle that contains that healthy bacteria and yeast that's found in the vinegar. And it's what gives you those health benefits. So every time you're looking for apple cider vinegar, you want to make sure that the label says with the mother so that you're getting those benefits. So there are a couple ways that you could incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet. The first way is by including it into any marinades or salad dressings that you make at home. But the most common way to incorporate it is to drink it. You want to start with 1 teaspoon mixed in about 4 to 8 ounces of water and gradually increase to 1 to 3 tablespoons per day mixed in water. Okay, so there are a few precautions to be aware of. The first is that not everybody tolerates apple cider vinegar. So when you're trying it for the first time, you really want to start at a low dose and slowly increase to make sure that you can tolerate it. Some people say they don't tolerate it on an empty stomach, so in that case, you just want to make sure that you have that apple cider vinegar with food. Another thing is if you have gastroparesis, which is slowed digestion or delayed gastric emptying, we do not recommend that you take apple cider vinegar. And the reason for that is that it can actually make that condition worse. It's also really important to make sure that you dilute the apple cider vinegar when you drink it. Apple cider vinegar is extremely acidic, And if you don't dilute it, it can damage tooth enamel as well as the tissues in your mouth and esophagus. Lastly, be sure to check with your medical provider if you do want to start incorporating apple cider vinegar, just to make sure that it doesn't interfere with any prescribed medications that you're already taking. So in review, research has shown that apple cider vinegar can help with blood sugar management, it can help decrease lipid levels, help with weight loss, and promote gut health. And we have heard and seen people's GERD improve with the addition of apple cider vinegar, even though there's no current research on the topic. So there you have it. 5 reasons apple cider vinegar can help you. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more nutrition videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you again soon.